Allah. Taliban don't let us to go school. Why? Every Afghani girl has an opportunity, has an aim to do something for the development of our country. Allah has given us this opportunity. As men and women have equal rights. So who are these Taliban to take this opportunity and right from us? Today's girls are tomorrow's mother. If they don't have education, how could they teach manners to their children? I am from new generation. I wasn't born to just eat, sleep and stay at home. I want to go to school. I want to do something for the development of my country. Can you imagine it? How a country can develop without education? If I don't get education, if any girl in Afghanistan don't get education, so how our next generation would be well-mannered? If we don't get education, we will have no value in this world. We will like a blind person in this world of technology. Thank you.